चाय पे चर्चा करने वाले हैं। हमारे साथ CESP के स्कॉलर हैं अनिल भाई। तो अनिल जी ये बताइए, आफ्टर CUET गेटिंग इनटू JNU इज टफ और इजी टास्क?
Yes, after CUET, I think the question, the pattern of the paper has become more easier
हाँ
for come from rural areas
हाँ ओके.
because
So there is more accessibility because
there's-
of rising number of centers.
yeah, rising number centers and the nature of the question because now they have asking mainly
Theoretical question,
theoreticals and
book based questions.
and theoreticals and as mainly objective type question
Okay.
means
Yes,
which are
MCQ.
MCQs.
Yes.
So because as you know the government has been failed to provide education to everyone
Everyone, yes.
in English medium.
Hmm.
So if you take exam in English medium, so definitely the
Some exclusion will be there.
definitely the people from the urban areas and high upper class people will get into the education institutions.
So there will
And
be
those
class.
who come from the rural area, they will be deprived of.
Hmm.
They will be eliminated.
So you think it is very good step that everybody is getting chance to come into JNU after the CUET? Because even I have met some people from the far area. Yesterday we met na Rayalaseema area who has never even imagined कि I will get into JNU or good institution. Never expected. So he was, I mean, enthralled and over enjoyed after getting into JNU because of this CUET. And what are the deprivation, I mean, points? Do you have any idea? Extra points how people get? What are the criteria mainly? Can you tell to our viewers?
In JNU, there is
This building, which this building is? This building is of
SL building,
SL means
School of Language.
School of Language Science. हाँ. चलिए
Yes.
we can proceed and talk.
In JNU,
रुकिए.
in JNU, there is a vision of providing deprivation points.
हाँ. What are the criteria for the deprivations?
Deprivation point, and there are two bases. First, on the basis of your regional backwardness, means if you come from the rural areas and the districts which are backward in terms of economic factors. And the second is on the basis of your gender. If you belong to women, then you will get 5 marks extra.
Okay.
In addition to
So
your
every woman gets 5 marks extra regardless of any caste category.
yeah, any caste category.
Okay. First criteria.
It is based on only your gender.
Gender. Okay.
No.
So it is for only male, female, no transgender, because that is also the matter of debate.
I don't know. Sorry, I am.
Even
not
I think I also consider there should be, but so far only for male and female.
Oh yeah, only for men. I am considering only two genders.
So first is that, and second is regional background. Deprivation point according to backward region.
This is called quartile districts.
Quartile
If
districts.
you come from quartile 1, they will get.
Two. There are
five.
lists there in the
If you
JNU
come from
already
quartile
prospectus.
two, there is a list of districts. And JNU prospectus.
Next, what are the next?
These are the two criteria which you get some.
But I think also one criteria, if you have studied from government school till your class 12. In some sections I found for the integrated students who joined here graduation, if your till class 12 is from the I mean not good institutions, like not from CBSE or not reputed schools, then also you get if it is government funded.
I am not aware because I am old student.
Acha. So this was the deprivation criteria just you talked.
Any question you want?
And CUET thing you have clarified very well. So thank you for the talk, and guys, we'll meet soon. So thanks to Anil bhai, and stay tuned. We'll do more talks about JNU, CUET, UG, PG, PhD. So please share and subscribe the channel and stay tuned, guys. Chalo, see you soon in the next video. Bye bye.